This video is an overview of the pre-installation checklist for the Bunn Tamp Auto Espresso machine. The site contact listed will be contacted by a Bunn representative to schedule the equipment installation. Placement. The refrigerator can be placed on either the left or the right side or below the espresso machine. The length of the cable and tubing between the espresso machine and the refrigerator is limited to 24 inches. Counter. Must be a sturdy, level surface able to support 140 pounds, 180 pounds if the refrigerator will be placed next to the espresso machine. Dimensions for the countertop, footprint required are 13.5 inches by 31 inches by 26 inches, 22 inches wide if the refrigerator will be placed next to the espresso machine. A minimum diameter of 3 inches hole in the counter or the path must be available for the routing water supply line, drain line, and electrical cord from the machine to the site connections. Clearance of 2 inches is required around the sides and the back of the machine. Clearance of 11 inches above the machine. If the refrigerator is placed below in a cabinet, the cabinet will need to be a minimum of 25 inches deep to allow 2 inches of clearance for ventilation. Electrical. 208 VAC 30 amp dedicated circuit. Receptacle must be within 4.5 feet of the machine. Circuit required 2-wire plus ground, L1, L2, and G. A NEMA L6 30R receptacle is required. The machine is supplied with a NEMA L6 30P cord cap attached with the power cord. Refrigerator, 115 VAC 15 amp circuit. Receptacle must be within 4.5 feet of the refrigerator. A NEMA 515 receptacle is required. Water supply. Cold water source terminated with a standard plumbing connection. Dedicated water supply with an individual shutoff for the espresso machine. Dynamic water pressure supply of 20 psi minimum to 90 psi maximum. Water supply connection located within 8 feet of the machine. The installing technician will connect the water supply with the filter and the machine. Water filtration. Adequate space available for the installation of the Mavia C500 filtration cartridge. Dimensions 6 inches by 6 inches by 22 inches. Filter must be installed on a secure mounting point and accessible for service. The filter may be installed horizontally or vertically. The machine is shipped with a Mavia C300 filter, but the site must be able to accommodate a C500 if a future water filter upgrade is required. Drain. Machine is supplied with a wastewater hose with an outside diameter of 7/8 inches, an inside diameter of 5/8 inches. That must be ran to a drain. The drain line may not be substituted. The site drain must be located within 5.5 feet of the machine. Customer requirements. The following items must be available or provided at location prior to the installation and machine turnover being completed. Beverage manager or authorized beverage decision maker. Coffee and or beverage recipe sheet. Fresh whole bean espresso roast coffee beans. Fresh cold milk. The refrigerator will hold 2 1-gallon containers. Serving cups for all recipes. Recommended demitasse cups for serving shots and up to 3 cup sizes for serving drinks. Accessories, shot glasses, and bar towels.